started. I'll see a bunch of lanterns being lit. Shake it out. Put it above the tiki torch. Start with one corner. Make sure two people are with, one person's with you at least. It's tough to do it by yourself. You can, but have a friend or a family member help you do it. One corner, then go to the opposite corner, then the other corner, and then the opposite corner. Once you get 4 corners lit, you're gonna lower it to the ground. Let's call it 6 inches from the ground's best, okay? So once I see a lot of them lit, we'll do a big countdown. We'll try to get as many in the air at the same time as we possibly can. Following this, dance party. So those that wanna wait and avoid traffic, come up and dance with us. All right, we're about ready. Once we get some more lowered to the ground, and we gotta count out real loud as we possibly can. That one's quick. Okay, so who's ready to count down? Big, loud countdown from 10. Let's make sure Illinois, Minnesota, Indiana, and Canada can hear us, all right? Here we go. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
¿Qué es el punto de ese, Gra? Este es el punto de las luces. Mira, güey, mira luces.